Hi there. In today's session, let's discuss about Dell Technologies cloud storage solutions for VMware-based workloads. On the surface, transformation to cloud appears as if customers are transforming towards simplicity. Cloud offers enormous flexibility and scale. They also offer agility, and with all the wide next-generation applications available in cloud, innovation is what customers look at as they move to cloud. Cloud also offers pay-by-the-drip consumption model, which makes the offer even more sweet. Sophisticated cloud models have always included on-premise element associated with it. And as far as on-premise element is concerned, repatriation appears to be a real thing. As per the recent reports from IDC and ESG, majority of customers have on-premise data centers as an inclusive element as part of cloud strategy. And 80% of them do consider cloud repatriation as a serious thing, and 50% intend to do so in the next 2 years or so. With all these data points, it's clear that cloud is not a destination, it's not a one-size-that-fits-all model, but it requires an operating model that requires thoughtful consideration for effective implementation. Let's take a look at some of the use cases that enterprise customers implement as part of the cloud journey. Customers would typically want to take their on-premises environment to the cloud, which means they would have to extend their data centers to cloud and expect the same levels of operational consistency. Customers would also want to set up disaster recovery solutions for their on-premise environment and expect to have the same level of operational consistency again when they switch to the cloud. Organizations can also look at migrating certain enterprise applications to the cloud without doing any refactoring or rework associated to it. For effective implementation of cloud strategy, it requires customers to have a flexible dev test environment to ensure that data can be moved back and forth as part of development experience. Customers will also look to scale up and down effectively in minutes to ensure that they can effectively implement strategies around cloud. With all the use cases that we mentioned, let's also take a look at some of the complexities associated with it. Organizations typically would look at having multiple clouds as part of their strategy. In fact, as part of IDC's report, 83% of customers look to have multiple cloud strategies. When we talk about multiple cloud strategies, it could either be a combination of public cloud or a private cloud, or it could be a combination of multiple public clouds. In either scenarios, every cloud offers its own management tools. So what this would actually mean is customers are dealing with disparate management solutions. When you have disparate management solutions, operations becomes a serious complex issue that customers would have to deal with. It has the potential to slow down operations if customers have to deal with multiple systems. Not only that, but customers would also need to have resources tagged onto different clouds, which makes migration of resources from one cloud to another cloud a real task. Customers would have to ensure that they would have to refactor applications as they migrate resources from one cloud to another cloud. When you have multiple clouds associated with it, it requires organizations to train the right set of folks with the right tools and processes associated with cloud. Last but not least, there is a security angle to it. Cloud in general is very open. It requires customers to ensure that they have the right level of security understanding as they migrate resources from one cloud to another, or migrating resources from their on-premises environment into the cloud. To ensure all these complexities are addressed, Dell Technologies introduced cloud storage solutions. Dell Technologies Cloud Storage Solutions not only addresses all these complexities in an effective manner, but also ensures customers have this seamless experience as they migrate their on-premise environment into the cloud. There are two services that we launched as part of this solution. One is Multi-Cloud Connect, which basically provides customers the flexibility to extend their data center into the cloud. And the second is disaster recovery of virtual machines to VMware Cloud on AWS. This service provides the flexibility for customers to set up disaster recovery in VMC on AWS. As you can imagine, this service provides customers with the flexibility of subscribing to storage that they really need. It also avoids cloud lock-in, so customers have the option of presenting to any cloud of choice. And it also provides the flexibility to natively replicate using the native replication technologies that the array provides. Let's go deeper into our solution. With Dell Technologies Cloud solution for multi-cloud, customers have the option to expand into any cloud of choice. They can expand their on-premises environment, they can replicate, or they can migrate their resources into multi-cloud and present it to any cloud of choice. They can present the same resource to multiple clouds at the same time, truly leveraging the flexibility that our solution provides. It is 100% data consistent and it is available all the time, so customers would not have to worry about the lack of availability zones. With our solution, you could also have automated disaster recovery. You could leverage on the tools that VMware provides. It could either be VMware Site Recovery, or you could also leverage on the native replication technologies. Last but not least, you can also integrate with multiple applications that various clouds provide, and you could operate on that with the data that we present to multiple clouds. So there is enormous freedom with the way you could operate. So with VMware Cloud and AWS, we truly provide one cloud experience with consistency and choice. You can migrate or replicate your data seamlessly from your on-premises environment to cloud, either using vSphere replication or array-based replication. You could move your data back and forth without any egress or ingress charges. And since you replicate your data with on-premise from your on-premise environment into cloud with array-based replications, you can maintain the same levels of application consistency. And there are no additional technology complexities associated with this. You can also tag compute as and when you need it, which means you can actually keep your operational costs really low. So it's a truly cost-effective solution that we present to you. Moving on, disaster recovery solutions with VMware Cloud and AWS is our other service, wherein customers can set up DR solutions for their on-premises environment into cloud. You could again replicate your data using either vSphere replication or array-based replication. And this solution is completely automated. So you could have very low levels of RTOs and RPOs. So you could set up disaster recovery solutions for high-performance compute kind of workloads. And you can maintain the same levels of operational consistency that you would have as you have in your on-premises environment. So with Dell Technologies Cloud, you can make the cloud work for you. We have solutions for multi-cloud, for disaster recovery solutions, and we are very tightly integrated with VMware Cloud on AWS. So do check us out on our webpage, that is Dell Technologies Cloud Storage for Multi-Cloud. We do have resources, we have videos, white papers, and interactive demos. And if you're interested, we could further discuss about it. Thank you.